Hey guys, in this video, we have listed the top 5 best arcade buttons on our personal opinion. After performing our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other related issues, we have chosen the products. There is no product on the list that is chosen by any influence or particular request. So let's get started with the list. List number 1. EG Starts 4-Player Classic DIY Arcade Joystick Kit. This is a LED arcade game DIY parts for 4-player DIY project. The encoders support all the Windows systems. Each encoder have its own USB cable to make sure that multiplayer can play the games in the same condition. The joystick is a 8-way professional joystick. The buttons are 5 volts LED illuminated push buttons with built-in microswitches inside. The buttons default as lighted all the time. Main feature. 1. When receiving the package. Have any questions? Please contact us first. 2. Perfect parts for 4-player arcade, MAME DIY project. 3. Made with highest quality materials. Heat-resistant plastic. 4. 100% zero-delay USB encoders and perfect work for all Windows systems. 5. Beautiful LED erase game DIY parts for MAME JAMA project. List number 2. Hekigig 4-Player LED Arcade Games DIY Kit. The encoders support all the Windows systems. The joystick is a 8-way professional joystick. The buttons are 5 volts LED illuminated push buttons with built-in microswitches inside. The buttons default as lighted all the time. These fit the standard 1-1/8 control panel buttonholes. Joystick and small buttonhole diameter, 24 mm, large buttonhole diameter, 28 to 30 mm. This item is for 4 players DIY project. Main feature. 1. Easy installation design, just connected the push button and joystick. 2. The encoders support all the Windows systems. 3. The joystick is a 8-way professional joystick. 4. The buttons are 5 volts LED illuminated push buttons with built-in microswitches inside. 5. The buttons default as lighted all the time. List number 3. Hekigig 2-Player LED Arcade Buttons. The new version LED buttons have designed to a super easy installation type. All 20-piece LED buttons will be the same size as 28 mm. By using the PCB design, you just need connect a single 3-pin wires to the button. We have already separated the power sources for you. Just connect them all and you will never make a mistake on the installation. The new version wire harness have designed to a easy 3-pin version. Every cables used to control only one LED buttons. No need to separate the positive and negative anymore. Super easy on the installation. And also we have extend the length of the harness into 10.43 inch. It will enough for all the game console. Main feature. 1. 100% zero-delay USB encoders and perfect work for all Windows systems. 2. Perfect LED illuminated parts for 2-player arcade MAME JAMA and other fighting game DIY project. 3. Professional 8-way arcade joystick with 3.5 ball top handle. 4. Made with highest quality materials. 5. Brand. Hekigig. List number 4. Canker 2-Player LED Arcade DIY Kit. The joystick come with octagonal restrictor. It's suitable for most games but not for all. We suggest you to get a 4/8-way switchable restrictor. You can search ASIN B07GDGLVKX about the ball top handle. Please use a slotted screwdriver fix the bottom of the joystick shaft to screw the ball top handle down and make sure it will not easy to lose. We are trying to provide a high-quality arcade DIY parts. Trust us. The joystick not the best one but it's a good quality joystick if you installed it well. The joystick gaming experience will change if you change another type restrictor. Main feature. 1. 2x zero-delay LED USB encoder. 2. 2x USB cable. 3. Hardware platform. Desktop. 4. Brand. Canker. 5. Color. Mixed color kit. List number 5. EG Starts 2-Player Arcade Games DIY Kit. This is a LED arcade game DIY parts for 2-player DIY project. The encoders support all the Windows systems. Each encoder have its own USB cable to make sure that multiplayer can play the games in the same condition. The joystick is a 8-way professional joystick. The buttons are 5 volts LED illuminated push buttons with built-in microswitches inside. There is no need separate the buttons functions when you connect wire to push buttons and encoder board except you want add, autofire, tubro, clear, and mode functions. All the fight button functions can be set in MAME or RetroPie. Autofire, tubro, clear, and mode functions have its own slot on the encoder board. The button's default is lighted all the time. Main feature. 1. Exquisite LED erase game DIY MAME part selection. 2. 100% zero delay encoder and USB work perfectly all Windows systems. 3. 2-player arcade, MAME DIY style perfect accessory. 4. Use the highest quality materials. Made of high temperature resistant plastic. 5. Perfect LED kit arcade PC games DIY choice. Easy to install. Thanks for watching this video.